think I would have been profitable much more faster if I would have gotten the right knowledge. Yo man, how you doing? I hope you're doing well. Let's be productive. Let's go towards our goals, and you know how to do it. But yeah, about to be, did I say, about to be like 10 a.m. in my country's time. And the plan is right now, I'm going to actually record maybe 2 YouTube videos really soon in the other room. Then after that, I'm literally going to live trade. I'm going to live trade with my students in the Discord and, you know, teaching them at the same time while we live trade, making sure that they're making money, making sure that they're learning. And then I'm gonna hit the gym. You know how to do it. Hit the sauna, hit the shower. But, you know, let's have a great day. Let's have a great day. Hope you're having a great day, like I told you. And, you know, let's make it a better one. Okay? But about the Discord, if you want to join it for free, it should be the link in the description. You can join it, get the free course, free community, you know, free sauce, man. Free sauce, free videos. But yeah, man, let's have a great day. And let's get on with it, okay? And basically what I'm doing is, I have to say, follow the calendar, okay? If you really want to maximize your potential, you need to follow your calendar. You need to schedule your time. Me personally, I use something called Google Calendar. It's not a sponsor. I use it. I schedule my time. Why do I schedule my time? Because it allows me to have a better structure of my life, better structure of my tasks in the day. And yeah, and by the way, if you do not know who am I, I'm a day trader. I've been day trading for 3.5 years. Profitable for 1.5 years. I was losing for 2 years. It was hard, man. It was super hard. I didn't necessarily get the right education in the beginning. I was kind of messing around. But you know, I'm just here to prove that everything is possible, that you can do it. I'm 17, making good money for my age, chilling. And now I'm innovating, motivating, teaching it so you can do the same and become even better, okay? And that's what I'm doing right now, okay? Seeing a lot of progress from my viewers, my students. So, man, that's what I'm doing. But yeah, man, I'll see you in a minute. Yo, man, what a beautiful trade taken today. I took one trade, AM session of New York Stock Exchange, and what a beautiful trade. And I was live trading with the team in the premium section of the Discord, and you know, everybody met better in the Discord. And also, I also send out to the people who are not in the call. I send out the signals every single day, and also live trade in here. So you know, everybody see the execution. Everybody sees why do I take this trade, and so they can learn from it and make money with me. And they're doing that. So I took this trade for the simple fact that we were in a downtrend right here. Okay, followed this downtrend. We didn't react from the bullish momentum, liquidity zones, etc. We didn't react from those, okay? We just continued this downtrend, and this was a liquidity zone. So look how perfectly executed, boom. Look how perfect that is. Just beautiful, executed perfectly, and you know, beautiful trade. But I de-risked on this trade, meaning I risked less of my capital. Why? Because it's getting late into the session and also getting late in the month. And you know, this past week, price action has been kind of choppy. So, you know, I'm gonna de-risk till the end of September, and then I'm gonna risk normally again. But super solid, made 500 bucks with this one trade today. Beautiful. And everybody in the Discord got paid, so that's cool. All right, man, so chill day so far. You know, I ended up the live stream with the Discord, so I said bye to them. Calm day, 560 profit, you know, maybe like 530 after the tax, after the, you know, fees, whatever. Chill day so far, and you know, you gotta stay productive, you gotta keep going. I'm gonna hit the gym really soon, and, you know, say what's up. But you know, so far, calm day, and you know, just chilling. But you know, about the thing, why am I de-risking for the end of the September? Think about it. The price tends to sometimes fuck up. Okay, what do I mean? Like, sometimes the price action could start to just consolidate for a long time. And you have to understand, consolidation is a form of a trend. And you have to understand that trends, there's 3 kinds of trends in the market: uptrend, downtrend, and consolidation, sideways. All of them have the same kind of ability, which is they continue until something happens. So far, the price has been it hasn't been the cleanest, you know, for like 1 week. Kind of has been consolidating in the higher time frame. Obviously, it moves smoothly to the upside, but in the sessions, I'm talking about the sessions, this has been kind of consolidating a little bit. So this is how it goes, it has been doing that for like 1 week, approximately. It's moving slowly up, but in not the most beautiful way. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna de-risk. What is de-risking? It's like literally risking less of my own capital for a period of time. Like it's like 5 days till it's October. So that's cool. In October we're gonna see some good price action. So far this month has been really profitable. Previous months super profitable. You know, we just gotta make sure that we know when to risk more, when to risk less, take good trades. Today was a solid trade. Everybody in the Discord made red. If you want to join, it should be the link in the description. And understand, if you also want to join for free, it's the same link. There's a free course, free community, free knowledge, and free sauce. Okay, so if you want, you can do that. But yeah, man, I came here to show you the reality. You know, yesterday I didn't record because yesterday was kind of boring. You know, I took one trade. It was a break even. I made like $40. I'm gonna call that a break even because it was moving smoothly as a trend, and it got into an area where the price may switch its direction, which it hit that. So I secured the trade by closing the trade to break-even area. I mean the stop loss to where I got filled, where I entered. So it's a secure trade. That's like a tactic that most of the traders do, and that I do that as well. I've been doing that for a good time. You know, once the price hits a area where it could flip the direction to my stop loss, then I'm just gonna secure the trade. That's how it goes, and it went awesome. Okay, because it did flip the direction as predicted yesterday. So I made like $40 yesterday or something like that, like a break even, because I closed around where I got filled. So, you know, I was like, it's kind of boring, but I'm just here to show you the reality. Profitable week so far. We just gotta make sure that we make more money than we lose in a single trade. And that's how we become profitable, man. That's how we become profitable. Obviously, have a good win rate, have a good risk management, exactly, and just stay calm, bro. It's all in here. It's all in here. Do not stress it too much. I just previously, literally like 10 minutes ago, someone in my Discord came to DM me like, "Yo, Adriel, like I don't understand. How are you so like you're so young, making good money?" But he said that he's struggling. He said that he's been trading for like 1 year and he's been break even stage, like all the time break even. He doesn't make money. But I was like, calm down, bro. You're in a break-even stage. You know how good that shit is? Because I've been trading for 3.5 years. I started super early. But it took me 2 years. And now I've been profitable 1.5 years, like I told you. 1.5 years. Okay? Just calm down, bro. Calm down. If you're in the same scenario, just calm down, bro. The markets are not gonna go anywhere. It's like a basketball. It's like basketball. You need to practice to become better. It's like boxing. You need to practice to become better. That's how it goes, man. And develop, okay? Just if you have a camera, if you have a microphone, just record yourself trading, okay? Yeah, man, that's what's up. But I'm gonna hit the gym now. I'm actually eat some little bit food, hit the gym, hit a push workout, and you know I'll see you in the gym, or outside. If my gym is like super nearby, I can just walk there like this. Yo, man, so I came from the gym, took a sauna, and a cold shower. Not a cold shower, like a light breezy shower. I don't know what should that mean, but you know what, I'm gonna cook me some eggs, 6 eggs, 6 times 6, 36 grams of protein approximately. Okay, I do not count it that hard. Maybe I should, but you know how it goes. But I'm gonna cook me some eggs. But overall, super solid day. It's currently like 9 p.m. I know it's kind of late, starting to get kind of late all of a sudden, but you know how it goes. In my country's time, the trading session is a little bit later in the day, so like that's why it's already like 9 p.m. But obviously it's not that late, or that 9:30 a.m. Eastern time trading where I trade. It's not that late in my country's time. Hope that makes sense. Let's get this popping. Concrete hopping. Oh, okay. Boom. 2, 3. Folks. 4. 5. Shit. The shells went in. There's currently 5 eggs. 5 and 6. There we go. You know, eat some eggs, guys. Like, That's some good shit. But eggs, you know, they're pretty good. They're healthy. Has some good protein. Had some good cholesterol. I mean, that's what I heard from these scientists. But you know, me personally, I'm not a food expert. But you know, I know that eggs are good for you. Okay, eggs, it's a natural steroid. That's what I heard. Look, man, like I said, I'm not an expert in this food shit. All I do is day trade, and that's my thing. But yeah, man, I'm not sure if you behind the screen is a trader, day trader like me, but you can literally watch these videos for motivation, innovation, get you popping, get you going. And if you're a day trader, that's good, okay? And that's really good. But regardless, whatever you do, you have some big goals, right? Because if you're watching my videos, you should have some big goals, right? Keep going, bro. Keep going towards your goals. Okay, never ever give up. Okay, just every millionaire, billionaire says this shit. Okay, never ever give up. Those goals were meant to be. And if you already made it this far, this literally means that this video was for you, because you're one of the 1% who actually made it to this far. These motherfuckers, like these flies, I don't like, they, if you buy some bananas in the store, these fucking flies come with it, okay? My bad, bro. But these flies, bro, like mini flies, like mini flies. Like, I don't understand, like they're going back and forth, but they come back and then they die because they got too close to me, you know? But yeah, what was I about to say? Yeah, keep going towards your goals, bro. Never ever give up. It may feel hard. When I was losing for 2 years straight, it was hard. It did get hard, believe me, in my day trading. But I did not give up. I saw that other people can do it. So I was like, fuck, why can I not do it? So I kept pushing. Now I've been profitable for 1.5 years. And that's the beauty of it, okay? And you have to embrace those losses. You have to embrace those losses, because in every loss, there's a lesson, okay? In every single loss, there's a valuable lesson that can get you popping and get you going towards your goals, okay? That's a little tool. You need losses. You think it's gonna be easy? If it would be easy, most of the people would be millionaires. Most of the people would have their goals. Most of the people would be profitable in day trading or whatever, in dropshipping. You know, I have a friend who does dropshipping. He makes good money with that. But remember, my friend who does dropshipping, he also was losing in the beginning, and he has done that thing also for some time now, like me. So the grass is not greener. The grass is not greener. This business model is not better than this business model, okay? Every business model works. You can do SMMA, dropshipping, day trading. You can do YouTube like me as well. I also record these day in the lives because it kind of helps me be more productive, show the reality of trading, what it takes. And I'm a 17-year-old, okay? I'm just like you, bro. I'm just like you. I just happen to be profitable in day trading, and that's how it goes. And I know most people cannot day trade. So I'm ready to innovate, motivate, and make you profitable if you're ready. But nothing comes easy. Nothing comes easy. You have to grind for it. But you can have the fast lane to it as well. Okay, because you know, I think I would have been profitable much more faster if I would have gotten the right knowledge. Okay? And now I'm making sure that I actually can bring the real value. Okay, so if you want to get the right knowledge to being profitable at trading, I wish I would have known this knowledge, got this knowledge when I was unprofitable. Then it's the link in the description, the first link in the description. You can get access to it completely for free. It's a free access. There's a free course, free community, and obviously if you're really serious, if you want to live trade with me, it's the same link. Great Thursday. Hope you had a great Thursday, or you know, whatever time you're watching this, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Hope you had a great day. Keep pushing, strive, go towards your goals. Never ever give up, and just continue. Your goals are meant to be. It's not gonna be easy. Most people are losing in life, so you gotta win. All right, I believe in you. And as usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.